Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, and Elisa at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your pre-owned 2018 Toyota Tacoma with the TRD Sport Package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger, 4x4 double cab pickup truck in a calm, cool, and collected cement gray. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be driving away in a 6-speed manual transmission. Some features included in your TRD is your trailer sway control, as well as your skid plates, your forward collision mitigation, and your rear cross traffic alert for the ultimate driving convenience and comfort.
Helping you into your Tacoma is this handy dandy key with fob. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front doors, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's going to be really great for heavy traffic, or if you're traveling on the highway. You also have your side blind zone alert. Again, really nice for that heavy traffic. So we're going to open this up here. We'll take a look at the inside. Lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You have some nice ground clearance there. You also have a little bit of storage here in the driver's side door, along with a cup holder. You have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And just to the left of your steering wheel, you have your box lighting, your interior power. You have your automatic high beams, and you have your clutch start cancel. Moving a little bit further in, you have your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And then you have this awesome leather interior. Moving a little bit further up, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof. That's really great for the summer days that we all know and love here in Alberta. And I'm just gonna hop on in here and we'll take a look at some more technology features. So I'm gonna use the start clutch cancel button. I'm just gonna turn the car on, get that battery going, push the clutch button, and we can go ahead and start it just like that. So it's much quicker once you get the hang of it. I just wanted to show you exactly how that works. So looking at the dash now, I'm just gonna turn the lights on so you can see the blue ambient lighting, really easy on the eyes. There's only 1,855 kilometers, so it's brand new. Moving a little bit further back, you have a really nice ergonomic steering wheel. You have all of the buttons that you're going to want. You have your volume control buttons and your music selection buttons, along with your voice command and your mode changer. You have your hands-free calling just below that. And then on the right-hand side, you'll find your central information display buttons. So this is going to give you things like your settings for your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system. You have any warning buttons from your vehicle there. You also have your cruise control settings. You have your radio, your navigation, and of course your speedometer with your fuel economy and your trip distance and things like that. So lots of information just at the push of a couple of buttons there. Just below that is your dynamic radar cruise control, and you have your lane departure alert. And then right back here is your cruise control. So these two are going to work together on those long road trips. Once again, really great features to have. So taking a look in your audio now, you do have everything that you're going to want in terms of sources. You have your AM, FM radio, your Sirius XM, your CD player still. You also have your USB and your audio input, along with your Bluetooth audio. And then in your applications is where you'll find your navigation system. I'll turn off my light so you can see the screen does get brighter. Really easy system to learn and use. So come on in and play around with that. Take it for a test drive. This is where your navigation sits just there. I'm not sure if you can see that in the camera. Moving a little bit further down from there, you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. That's nice for those winter months. And then for the summer months, you have your dual zone climate control along with your air conditioning. That's really handy if somebody's running a little warmer or cooler than yourself. And then you have your 4-wheel drive just there. Moving a little bit further down, here's your side blind zone alert. You have your rear power window. You have your audio input and your auxiliary input. And then you have your Qi wireless charging. So that's just right down here. You can set your compatible mobile phone on that pad, turn the power on, and it will charge cordlessly. You also have a 12-volt DC plug-in in case there's any other devices that you would like to charge. You do have your 6-speed shift changer, leather. That's really nice. You also have a couple more cup holders back here and some storage here in the center console. So that's going to be really handy for you. You can take some stuff along on your trips. You have a lockable glove box and all of the manuals that you're going to need. Nice big glove box in there. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of the Tacoma. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? All right, taking a look at the back of your Tacoma now, I wanted to show you a few things back here. You do have all of your trailering equipment to bring your toys along on those great road trips you're gonna have. You also have your rear vision camera just there. That's gonna help you back out of those tight spots, those tight parking lots, or even just in your own neighborhood. You also have a lockable tailgate just there. And I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna try to do this fairly quickly so that you can see that it has an easy lift and lower tailgate. It's not going to come smashing down on you or squish any fingers or cause any damage to your tailgate, so that's going to be really nice. You also have that rear window, again, automatically opens. And we're going to lift this back up here. And we'll give you a nice view of the back of your Tacoma.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab V6 with the TRD Sport Package. Now this unit is a pre-owned vehicle with low kilometers, so definitely come on in and see how it fits into your lifestyle. We are easy to find at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until I see you next time, drive safe.